Right now at 5, COVID booster shots are now recommended for everyone who thought they were already fully vaccinated. Today, our Charles Benson spoke with the nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, about why people should get a third shot. Charles.
Well, this move to get booster shots comes as the state continues to battle COVID cases, especially the more worrisome Delta variant. Dr. Fauci tells me booster shots will help those who are already vaccinated to stay ahead of the virus. There are a lot of timely issues I want to address, and let's start with President Biden recommending the COVID booster shots. Why now? What changed for those who thought they were fully vaccinated?
Well, what changed is that if you look at the durability of the protection in the context of this highly transmissible Delta variant, we were starting to see literally only recently, I mean, that gets to your point of why now, that there is an attenuation of the protection against infection and mildly to moderately severe disease. What has held true and strong is the protection against severe disease leading to hospitalizations and deaths.
Dr. Fauci says when you look at what happened in Israel with the Delta variant and efforts to provide booster shots in that country, the booster helped.
In fact, a report today from Israel has shown that they have already been boosting people ahead of us, and they're seeing a favorable effect in protection. So we want to stay ahead of the curve and not be chasing after and responding to something bad that's happening. We want to prevent it from happening.
As people line up for booster shots, healthcare professionals are still trying to get people their first shots. 50% of all people in Wisconsin are fully vaccinated. It jumps to 61% for 18 and older. Are you concerned it will take away from their efforts to get people their first shot? For example, Milwaukee's mayor says the city has been going door to door to reach the unvaccinated. That's labor intensive.
Yeah, and thank you for that question. I want to make sure we make it very clear to the people of Milwaukee. The most important thing that we need to do is to get the 90+ million people in this country who are eligible to be vaccinated, who have not yet gotten vaccinated.
Now, coming up at 6, I asked Dr. Fauci about the increase in COVID cases among children and how to keep kids safe as more and more schools reopen. Kristen, Carol?
Yeah, that's something we're all concerned about. Thank you very much, Charles.